So to moisturize my lips, because they are a little bit dry, I'm taking this Clarins Moisture Replenishing Lip Balm. And this really helps hydrate my lips. And it feels amazing. Amazing. I'm like really picky when it comes to lip balms. But this one is so good. I like go crazy with it because I hate when my lips are dry. My lips are always dry and I drink so much water. But I feel like I still need some kind of lip balm or moisture on my lips. So since I did cover my dark circles with the Becca Under Eye Corrector, I'm going to take this Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, which is my favorite concealer ever. Of course, I tried other concealers and I just keep coming back to this one. And of course, this concealer does go a long way, so I don't apply too much. This is a good amount for me, and then I just blend it out with my Real Technique sponge. Shape Tape Concealer is one of those products that you want to have backups, because when you run out, you don't know what to do. I should have bought two, honestly, but it does last me a really long time. One of these tubes, I believe it's like anywhere from $24 to $27, I'm not sure, but it lasted me a really long time, and I would use it all the time because I feel like concealer is like that one thing that I need to wear. I'm going to apply some of that concealer to my lid, and I'm going to put a pretty good amount on my lid because this is going to be my eyeshadow base. So I'm going to blend that out. This is like a get ready with me kind of thing. So I'm taking this eyeshadow palette by Dope Cosmetics. Oh, it's all dirty. Dope Cosmetics Ride or Die palette. I really like this eyeshadow palette. I feel like they did an amazing job with the colors. It has nice gold neutral shades, and it has peachy rosy shades and bronzy shades, which is perfect for spring and summer. So today I'm going to use these two colors right here. And these shadows are very pigmented, and I love how they blend onto my crease. And I'm just using my Sigma E40 blending brush to blend that color onto the crease. And I'm really focusing on the outer corner because it looks a lot prettier when you have a darker tone on the outer corner and then just blend it to the inner corner. And then I'm just using circular motions and windshield wiping motions. This is my favorite blending brush. I've tried a few and I always keep coming back to this one. So it already gives my eyes some definition. So just really focusing on the outer corner and blending it to the inner corner. You always want to make sure that you make both sides even. I always go back and forth. Alright, that looks pretty even. The lighting right here in this setup that I have going on is a little off. I'm still trying to get used to it. I don't know if I'm going to keep it like this because of the lighting situation. Alright, so we got that crease color on there. Nothing too crazy. Now with my fingers, I'm just going to take this pretty bronzy color right there. They're so pigmented, these eyeshadows, and they're just so easy to use. So if you're a beginner, this is perfect. I really like this bronzy color. So I like how it applies with my fingers. I feel like it deposits more pigment. I have tried these shadows with a brush and it's still really good, but if you're in a rush with your fingers, it's just a lot easier. So for my wing, I'm going to take my e.l.f. gel liner with this angled brush that I've talked about a few times on my channel, which I got from Michael's, the arts and crafts store. It's in the brand Princeton, and it's such a very sharp, thin, angled brush that works amazing with gel and liquid liner. So I always go to this one. This is like my go-to at the moment. So I've been using this Eylure brow powder. I already hit pan on it. I know. It's the darkest shade. I don't know. I think they have like 3 different shades, but I got the darker one. And honestly, I just like it. I feel like it makes my eyebrows look really nice. And I feel like it lasts the whole day, and it's just powder. And sometimes I use the Anastasia brow powder if I could find it, because it's really small, so it gets lost in my stuff. Years ago, bold brows were like the ish, and everybody would compliment my brows, and I was like, okay. But then when I look back at it now, I'm like, oh, girl, that's really bold. So I'm kind of liking like this natural semi-bold brow. You know what I'm saying? Look at it. It's nice. I know my eyebrows are pretty good. I get told that a lot. But I like them this way. So I do fill them. There's just something about filling in your brows when you have makeup on, like a full face. Because if you don't do anything to your eyebrows and you have like eyeshadow, lashes, foundation, and then you just don't do your eyebrows, it's like they look a little naked. I don't know. That's just my opinion. When I do someone's makeup, I feel like I have to even just shade them in a little bit so everything evens out. They don't have to be bold, but just a little bit. A drop of my Tarte Shape Tape. Just a little bit. I like to put it on my hand, just like a little tiny little pimple drop of concealer. And this brush by Morphe, it's the MB10, that flat brush, and I'm going to apply some of this underneath my eyebrows, just a tiny bit. I feel like my eyebrows don't look the same if I don't put concealer under them. And I can tell when I do have concealer under them because they look crisp. And then just blend it. And every time I go in with the concealer under my eyebrows, I go back with the same blending brush that I was using. And with no product, I just blend just slightly on the edges. The lighting is off, I can tell, because when I see myself, I'm like, wait, one eye has more shadow than the other one, but it's not like that. It's the light. I don't even know. They're called Flutter Lashes. I don't know what they're called. I have to look for the name. I don't know if this was the box. I think this is the box. But I kind of cut them a little bit because they were a little dramatic, and I made them fluffy with the spoolie. So I'm going to pop these on. I never tried their lashes, but when I got them in the mail, I was like, whoa, these are very dramatic. And I was not about to wear them, but I kind of customized them a little. And just let it dry for a tiny bit because this glue dries really quick. And I'm just closing it. You gotta close it, keep it closed. So while that's drying, I'm gonna go back in with my Tarte Shape Tape and doing one dot like that. And I'm gonna have my powder ready. This is the Fit Me loose finishing powder in shade 10. It has like a yellow undertone, and I've been using this underneath my eyes, and I've been loving it. So I'm just gonna blend. And the reason why I did another drop is just to brighten it up a little bit more and to make sure that it's all smooth. So when I apply my powder, it sets it like that. And what I really like about this is that it really brightens up. I haven't tried it with flash, so I don't know how that is. Maybe I should try it with flash. But that's how I put it on. And I don't leave it on for too long because one time I did it, I left it on for too long and I felt like my face looked really dry. But I just like how it brightens and covers. So now that I have that, I'm going to pop on my eyelashes. And I'm just all over the place. I feel like I haven't sat down to film a makeup look in so long. I'm so careless. Okay, I seriously like love them because they just complete the look. I'm about to go get my son some food, all glammed up, looking like I'm going to prom. This glue is really good, guys. I really like it. I feel like it just makes my life so much easier. I think they look really nice. What do you guys think? Yep, I think they look really pretty. I like how they're lifted, so they give you like that doll, baby eye doll look. But this inner corner is bugging me. Okay, I'm gonna let it chill for a little bit. I have to leave in. Great, I have to leave already. Okay, I'm gonna leave like in 15 minutes because I'm almost done. So bronzer, Becca Caprico's bronzer has been like my go-to bronzer ever since I got it. It does have like some shimmer in it, but not really. Like you can't tell when you put it on your face. And then I've been using this brush by Vanity Planet. I got freaking foundation in my hair. So I've been using this brush by Vanity Planet, and I just been liking it. I've always used this brush for my contour. I feel like it does an amazing job, but I've tried so many and I keep coming back to this one. So bronzer on. So I'm taking this mascara by Catrice Cosmetics. It has been a really nice mascara. For blush, I'm taking this Ofra Cosmetics Bellini blush, which was sent to me by Octoly and Ofra. So thank you guys. And this Kiko Milano highlight in Free Soul. It's an amazing highlight, guys. I freaking love it. It's beautiful and perfect for the summertime. For lips, I'm taking this CoverGirl liquid lipstick in Cakewalk, and then I will be applying a gloss on top of that. And that is it for the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one.